two ways you can solve this problem. Most of the cases, somebody had a problem from 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, coughing whole night, they couldn't sleep too.
Also, Sheikh, another question. She's got heart blockage as well. So she's got high blood pressure as well. Please help my mom.
Okay, the best way,
Jazakallah.
also if you remember the turmeric powder, right?
Okay, turmeric powder.
Yeah,
okay.
turmeric powder. There's haldi powder is called. You can warm water, just put a teaspoon turmeric powder inside, and you read Surah Alam Nashrah Laka Sadrak. The same surah I'm explaining just now, inshallah. The Surah Alam Nashrah Laka Sadrak, you must blow inside that water and mix with the turmeric powder and make her drink every night before sleep, inshallah. Let's see. Very good.
Sorry,
also,
can you repeat that again, please, Sheikh?
The 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon haldi powder, turmeric powder, mix inside the water and read Surah Alam Nashrah Laka Sadrak 30th para, Surah Alam Nashrah Laka Sadrak 7 times, blow inside and make her drink every night or every morning, and also give her tablespoon or 1 teaspoon zaitun, olive oil, pure olive oil. Inshallah, the blockage will open also and the cough will go away slowly, inshallah.
Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.